What is going on, guys? So today I received two packages that I'm going to put on my car. One that I'm super excited about are my rear spats. Bam! So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this right now. Let's take a look and see what it looks like. So these are the GT Speed OE style rear splats that I got on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. But the fuck is that?
Baby got back.
They feel solid. They do feel solid. There's a little flex to them, but they don't feel cheap. And they look pretty good for the most part. So we got the two rear splats, and we got just some screws. I don't know if these are self-tapping screws. The screws feel kind of cheap. I mean, they're screws. Yeah, the screws do feel kind of cheap. I might just put some stainless steel screws in that I have instead of these, but they'll work, you know. So. All right. So you don't need to jack up your car. There's plenty of room to work with. I did it because apparently I like to work harder. But on a serious note, if you do jack up your car, make sure you do it the right way and use jack stands. I didn't because I like to live my life on the edge. Nah, but seriously, I did it like this because I physically never went under the car. I just raised it a little bit just to have some extra room, so yeah. So this installation was extremely easy. The three white circles that you see are your clips. You're just gonna pop those out. Your rear spat holes will line up perfectly with those three holes. Now the yellow circle that you see is just an additional hole. If you have extra clips, you can put a clip in there, or what I did was I put a bolt with a nut on it. Now that hole is the only hole that you can access from the top to be able to put a nut on. And then the two red circles that you see are where I use screws. And to be honest, the spat held on there perfectly fine with just the three clips, but I decided to put the bolt and nut on and then the two screws just to make it super tight. So this is an underview of where this spat is going to go. Now I'm just cleaning some of the dirt off. But these three clips are the ones that you are going to want to remove. I do highly recommend buying some extra clips. I got some off of Amazon pretty cheap. I'll put a link down in the description below. But it's always good just to have extra clips. These clips are known to break pretty easily, and it will suck to break a clip and not have an extra one to put in there. It's also good to have extra clips because sometimes these clips just want to be bitches and you just want to fucking break them. And knowing that you have extra ones just makes it so much better. So as you can see, this last clip just didn't want to act right and I was struggling with it. It's just a pain in my. So all 5 holes line up perfectly with the holes in the rear spat. The 3 white circles are where you originally took out the clips. The 2 yellow circles, you can put additional clips if you have extra. The yellow-green circles where I decided to use a bolt and a nut. And then the 2 red circles are where I use screws. Once you have the clips out, now just line up your spat and reinsert the clips. Yo, so check it. The clip closest to the tire is going to be extremely hard to put in because that clip has to go through 3 layers of plastic. So eat your Wheaties, boys. Yo, what up guys? So the spats look great. Now, that one clip was a fucking pain in the ass to get in. Alright, it's extremely difficult to get through 3 layers of plastic. You might need to use some pliers like this and to get a hold of something on the top and then the clip on the bottom to be able to clamp it in there. But it was a fucking pain, so you're gonna struggle with it, but trust me, you'll be able to get it in. You will, I promise. Yeah, but anyways, it looks great. So I have a vortex generator that I just got that I'll be putting on my car, so I'm gonna make a video of that actually today and probably post it tomorrow. Stay tuned, and hey, the car looks sexy. And I'll see you next video. Peace.